Good evening, doctors. This is Dr. Murli Bharadwaj, your classmate in everyday NEET PG preparation. What is a characteristic feature of a topper? The topper in the entrance exam knows how to revise any topic within 5 minutes, and he knows what are the 15 points that the examiner want. Out of them, 5 to 6 crucial points every topper should be able to master. Now I am in that mission to make you the champions of every topic. There are totally 953 topics which we made them available in the video library of the onlinemmbbs.com, where we have done a thorough revision. So to stimulate you once more to join our onlinemmbbs.com video library and also a nationwide WhatsApp study groups. Nearly around 50,000 students on our WhatsApp study groups for the NEET PG. Become part of that and discover the study mates and classmates. You want to be included in that high energy WhatsApp study group of onlinemmbbs.com? Please call 900868 Now let us start. Psoriasis. What are the 15 points you will remember? It is a T-cell mediated inflammatory dermatosis. It is T-cell mediated, not B-cell. Two characteristic features: erythematous plaques, silvery scales. Why do they happen? Because of the dermal inflammation, and epidermal hyperplasia is the underlying cause. What type of erythematous plaques they are? Very well demarcated erythematous plaques. Now when does it start? Typically in the puberty and young adult. Where do you find the lesions? Lesions classically on the extensor surface. Very important. So what are called extensor surfaces, doctor? Elbows, knees, even on the scalp, psoriatic lesions, and the lumbosacral area. Now, if you look at the psoriatic nail involvement, doctor, these are the 3 points you should not forget, right? Oil spots, onycholysis, and the lifting of the nail plate. Classical psoriatic nail. Now I am going to give you that secret question, hot MCQ. When the NEET PG examiner asks you that there is a rash involving extensor surface, only think of psoriasis. If the examiner says a rash involving flexor surface, then what is your diagnosis that you will think? Atopic dermatitis. Now, fatafat bolo, there are 2 important named phenomena that you should know. Kovner's phenomena, where psoriatic lesions are provoked if you happen to traumatize the skin or if there is any local irritation. And if the patient scratches, then that scratched area once more will provoke a new lesion. Then auspect sign. If you scrape the scale of the psoriasis, you will see underlying undersurface of it, you will find bleeding, which is a characteristic feature, is what you need to remember. Now, doctor, 3 drugs that precipitate psoriasis. Please don't forget. Many times this question was asked: beta blockers, lithium, and ACE inhibitors. Beta blockers, lithium, and ACE inhibitors. Now, what are the 5 histology hallmarks of the psoriasis? First, thickening of the epidermis, elongation of the pterygius, absent granular cell layer, and in the stratum corneum there is a preservation of the nucleus. इसको कहते हैं parakeratosis, is what you should remember. There is a sterile neutrophilic infiltrate in the stratum corneum. And what is that called? Monroe's microabscess. Abscess means generally we think pus, but this is a histological microabscess. Matlab, there is a neutrophilic infiltrate, WBC is infiltrated. into the stratum corneum and it is sterile. It does not have any streptococci or anything. It's called Munro's microabscess is what you should remember. Then the psoriasis is one among the seronegative spondyloarthropathies, doctor. Please don't forget. What are the cousins of seronegative spondyloarthropathies? Ankylosing spondylitis is the main one. Psoriatic arthritis, reactive arthritis, juvenile spondyloarthropathy, inflammatory bowel disease में होने वाला arthritis, and undifferentiated seronegative spondyloarthropathy. These are called seronegative spondyloarthropathies family. Psoriasis belongs to that. Now, how do you treat, doctor? Very, very important. Gokerman's regime in Graham's regime. और एक बार बोलो मेरे साथ, Gokerman's regime in Graham regime. Gokerman regime में ultraviolet B के साथ coal tar देते हैं. In Graham regime में, along with the ultraviolet light, you will be giving anthralin. That is what you should remember. So finally, what are the medications which are useful in psoriasis, doctor? Topical steroids. They are combined with keratolytic agents, tar, anthralin. Then methotrexate is highly useful. Retinoids, but methotrexate is given in very severe cases. Retinoids, even vitamin D derivatives are used in the psoriasis. So doctor, have an enjoyable preparation. आराम से पढ़ो, टेंशन नको लेना, हम हैं आपके साथ. और हमारे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में ज्वाइन, आज ही ज्वाइन हो जाओ. आपके सारे क्लासमेट्स को बोलो कि call 900868 and join our WhatsApp study group. 24/7 you have classmates who are also seriously preparing for the NEET PG entrance exam. Good luck and enjoy the preparation. Thank you.